Hey Zero, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I've got a Fridge 60 on a trailer rolling out of here today. Wanted y'all to check it out before she goes all the way home back to Michigan. My man Jason. And pretty nice setup Jason's got here. So first off, it is on our trailer package. Now guys, we've got multiple different trailer setups we do. We build all our trailers in-house. We build them around your setup. So we are a licensed trailer manufacturer. So you do get a title with your trailer. Go get it registered, insured, all that. So this is a 3,500 pound single axle trailer, a little bit wider. He's got a lot of storage room back there in the back we'll check out, but real nice trailer setup. It's awesome, guys, just be able to hook up to your smoker, take off with it, take it around town, take it over to your buddy's house. So that's the trailer package. We'll talk about the smoker now. So this is our Fridge 60, the big boy fridge. Now guys, like in all of our fridge smokers, you have 3 sliding trays in here, all full depth trays. So you got a lot of cook room in this unit. Now this is a reverse flow smoker, so it's got removable baffle plates down here in the bottom that directs the smoke all the way across and then back out of the stack. So it makes for really even cook temperatures in here. You can fit a lot of food in this bad boy. He did get our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers up there. And down there in the bottom of the smoker, it does have a 1-inch ball valve. That's standard on every smoker. Makes it easy to drain the grease out of it. He did option up this stainless steel front shelf. Guys, that's a great deal to add there. Cleans up quick, looks great. Come around here to the hot box. Now guys, on the Fridge 60, you actually get an extra large hot box. So over 2,000 square inches of cook room in this hot box. Still got your 5 sliding trays in here. And what we love about our hot box, guys, it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So one fire, you can be running at 2 different temperatures at once, so it's really versatile. It's actually got a removable plate down the bottom of it. You can get direct fire in there if you want to, use it as a warmer, smoke in it, grill in it. So really versatile option there. And then he also went with our insulated firebox. So all 1/4-inch plate steel, 3/8 thick door, fully insulated, still has his fire management cradle in there as well. The LED lights on the trailer there. Step around to the back side here. Now, as you can see, he knows the deal. He got all his TMG accessories, got our TMG torch charcoal chimney, lifetime warranty on that unit, and our burger and bacon press, guys. You can check all that stuff out on our website, tmgpits.com. We've got it sitting on top of his sliding butcher block shelf here. He did add a butcher paper holder here. So guys, slide that on there. If you're wrapping your briskets up, pull across your shelf, wrap them up. Makes that quick and easy for you. You got more storage underneath the shelf, of course. Slide that back in, lock it up. Come around the back, you can see what I was saying. A lot of storage room back here, guys. You're never gonna complain about having too much storage space. We are gonna finish it off with the spare tire, guys. Y'all know the deal. You don't wanna be on the side of the road with a flat and not have a spare tire to get you home. So there's that. Pretty slick setup my man Jason's got here, guys. I'm excited for him to get to cooking on it. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.